My name is Elizabeth Boots, and I'm a research specialist here in the Department of Medicine in the Alzheimer's Disease Research Center. And my mentor is Ozioma Okonkwo. And what I was interested in looking at for this project was the effect of cardiorespiratory capacity or fitness and its relation to brain vascular health. When people think of Alzheimer's disease, they usually think about the tau and the amyloid in the brain. But there's other pathology, specifically cerebral blood flow and white matter hyperintensities that might also be playing a role in the disease. And also, fitness, we know, really helps your your cardiovascular health. So we thought, why not look at these together? So we looked in 105 participants from the Wisconsin Registry for Alzheimer's Prevention, which is a large cohort of about 1,500 participants, most of whom have family history of Alzheimer's disease, so they're at risk for the disease. They all did a fun VO2 max test, which is a treadmill test, and that's how we get our measure of cardiorespiratory fitness. And they also did MRI scans and cognitive testing. And as you can see here, our group is highly educated and does have that risk for Alzheimer's disease. And what we found is that people who have higher cardiorespiratory fitness had greater cerebral blood flow in regions that are associated with Alzheimer's disease, specifically the right and left angular gyrus, the right temporal gyrus, and then a composite measure of all of these regions associated with Alzheimer's disease. So it's saying that, fitness is good for your brain. Additionally, we found that in people who were more fit, they had less white matter hyperintensities, which are just white matter lesions in the brain. They had less of these as they aged if they were more physically fit. So, and also, they had better cognitive speed and flexibility as well. So overall, what we're seeing is that those who are more physically active, physically fit, are having better brain vascular health, which might be beneficial for them and could help prevent Alzheimer's disease into the future.